Achieving operational excellence can be challenging due to 5 main obstacles. Let us look at them one by one. First, employee resistance to adoption of new processes. This usually stems from people who are accustomed to existing ways of working and do not want change. Second, lack of clear and transparent communication within the organization. This creates confusion, fear of losing one's job, and operational inefficiency. Insufficient employee training and upskilling. This prevents teams from effectively implementing and sustaining improvements. Inadequate measurement systems to track progress. They fail to monitor and gauge the success of operational excellence initiatives. A short-term focus on process improvements. This undermines efforts to implement long-term, sustainable changes that are crucial for organizational operational excellence. These barriers must be addressed to create a smooth pathway towards enhanced operating efficiency and effectiveness.